Welcome back to Maths with Mr. C. I hope you are enjoying. I encourage you to like, subscribe, and share, and also press the notification bell so that each time these videos are dropped in, you get to enjoy and get engaged. So today we are also proceeding with the cos 2 theta minus sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0 in the field of the general solution. So this one, just like the first part that we have covered with cosine theta here, this one is cosine theta, so we are going to solve it by identifying the correct identity for cos 2 theta. And remember, we have three identities for cos 2 theta. The first one, cos squared theta minus sin squared theta, and then we also have the next one that is 2 cos squared theta minus 1, and then we also have the other one that is 1 minus 2 sin squared theta. And I mentioned that this identity is golden and very special. Pay attention to the last two because they can be written in reverse. Now in this one, because we've got a sin theta, we are going to make use of the second one, that is 1 minus 2 sin squared theta minus sin theta minus 1, and then this is equal to 0. Now we are back in algebra at this stage. We are treating our variable as sin theta as in ax squared plus bx plus c. So we align minus 2 sin squared theta minus 2 sin squared theta minus sin theta, and then 1 minus 1 is 0, so that one is gone. This is equal to 0. Now when you are solving algebraic equations or even the inequalities, we don't prefer to start with a negative here, so we divide throughout by a negative. This becomes 2 sin squared theta plus sin theta is equal to 0. As you enjoy your algebra going down, this is perfect factorization. Your common factor is sin theta, and then into 2 sin theta plus 1, this is equal to 0. So therefore from here, our sine of theta will be equal to 0, or our 2 sin theta plus 1 will be equal to 0. This implies that our theta, our sin theta will be equal to minus 1 over 2. Now when you are at this stage, you are now concluding your solution, and we are in the sine equation, and this is completed as follows. Our theta will be equal to, the sine will have two solutions. The first one that we get from our calculator is our reference angle, and also the second one subtracted from 180. So therefore, for sine theta is equal to 0, we get the first one as 0 as well, 0 plus 360k. And then for the second one, again, we subtracted this from 180, and as we have seen from the previous, even if it's a negative, we just take note of that and separate the two negative signs. So 180 minus 0, we will have 180 plus 360k. So this is the first part. For sine theta is equal to 0. We go to the next one. For sine theta is equal to minus half, we will have our theta is equal to minus 30, and then plus 360k. Okay. Now, like I said, when it's a minus, when it is a minus, you need to subtract again from 180. So 180 minus 30, this gives you 210. So this is 210 plus 360k. Now if this is a locked general question without the specified domain, your solution will end here. And don't forget to mention k element of your integers. But if it extends to a particular solution, you extract all the 4 into your table. For instance, the first one it's 0 plus 360k. The next one is 180 plus 360k. The next one is minus 30 plus 360k. Then the last one is 210 plus 360k. And then you check your domain. This one is stretching from minus 360 to 360. So values of k, -1, 0, and 1 can be feasible. But if it is so wide, for example, 540 or 720, we can extend to have bigger values of k in the opposite direction. So -1, 0, and then our 1. Just like the previous question, I prefer to start with the 0. This will cut our questions there. So 0 for k, we have 0 there, we have 180, we will have -30, and then we will have 210 for 0. We can go to 1. When we are at 1 here, this will be 360. This one will be 360 plus 180. What will it be? That would be 540, and then 360 minus 30, that would be 330, and this one, that would be 360 plus 210, 570, and then back again to -1. This is still our negative 360. And then here, 180 minus 360, this is minus 180. And then here, minus 30 minus 360, that will be minus 390. And then 210 minus 360,
-150.
-150. Now you check according to the domain, minus 360 to 360. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is not valid. This one is not valid. This one is not valid. So this will be your particular solutions. I hope you have enjoyed this one. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share as we continue to enjoy our series in solving trigonometric equations.